Kashika, welcome you to Abhyaas Institute of Education. So, very main problem that all the students from class 6 to 8 feel is that learning the conjugations and understanding how to conjugate the verbs is a very difficult task. But trust me, it is one of the most easiest topic that we study in the grammar of our French. So, in today's video, we will be doing the ER verbs. ER verbs are all the verbs that ends with ER. For example, parler, habiter, manger, voyager, changer, chanter. Any verb which ends with ER, we call it in the category of ER verbs. So I'll start with the conjugation of regular ER verbs. So let's begin. How do we conjugate the ER verb? The first thing we do is we take a ER verb. For example, let's take the verb parler. We will cut the ER and we will get the radical P-A-R-L. Now, we have 8 pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, plurial. So, what we do? With je, we add E in the ending. It means it becomes je parle. With tu, we add es in the ending. So it becomes tu parle. With il and el, we add e in the ending. It becomes il parle. Then we add with nous o and s. So it becomes nous parlons. Then with vous, we add ez, it becomes vous parlez. And with il plural, we add ent, so it becomes il parle. So the endings are e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. After adding all these endings, this is how the conjugation of ER verb parle looks like. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle. Let's do another ER verb. Now, for example, let's take the verb habiter. Habiter. So we will follow the same concept. We will remove ER and we will add E, ES, ONS, EZ and ENT. So let's take sometimes you try to conjugate the verb habiter and come back and then we will check it. It becomes j'habite, tu habites, il habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, il habite. Point. We consider H as a vowel, so that's why we change it to J apostrophe habite. Okay? J apostrophe H. Any verb which starts with A, I, E, O, U and H silent will take J apostrophe instead of the pronoun J, E. So this was our regular ER verbs. Now let's shift to some irregular ER verbs. For example, let's take the verbs ending with GER. For example, manger, voyager, changer. So any verb which is ending with GER has a little change in the conjugation. The change is with regular ER verbs, we add ONS with nous. But with irregular ER verbs, we add EONS with nous. So it becomes nous mangions, nous changions, nous voyagions. The remaining conjugation remains the same. So to discuss the conjugation of GER, I'll conjugate the one word which is voyager. Je voyage. Tu voyages. Elle voyage. Nous voyageons. Vous voyagez. Elle voyage. So if you observe the whole conjugation, the ending with E, ES, EZENT remains the same. Only with nu, instead of adding ONS, we add EONS to it. So this was our GER verbs. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Messi.